Morning, friends. Let's read Revelation 4, verse 11 in worship to our Father. You are worthy, O Lord, to receive glory and honor and power, for you created all things, and by your will they exist and were created. Please pray with me. Father, you are worthy of all glory, honor, and power. Everything I see and all I am exists because of you. You spoke creation into being, and by your will it stands. Forgive me for taking your creation, blessings, and even my own life for granted. Today I worship you as Creator and Sustainer. I lay down my ambitions, fears, and desires and lift praise to the one who holds the universe in his hands. You are sovereign, holy, and eternal. My life belongs to you. May my worship reflect the glory and honor you receive in heaven forever. Amen.